clean heart in me. O God, create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a right spirit within me. Cast me not away from your presence. Don't take away your Holy Spirit from me. Create a clean